Next problem. A ball thrown up in the air reaches maximum height of 60 meter and travels horizontal distance of 80 meter. Draw the path of the ball assuming it to be parabolic. Means we have to draw parabola by rectangle method. So first we will take the scale. Scale will be you have to take the scale 1:1000 means 1 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, then we will draw a rectangle. Length, horizontal distance is to be traveled is 80 mm. So draw rectangle 80 by 60. So we will draw a rectangle 80 by 60. Give the number or alphabet A, B, C, D and E. Find out the midpoint. Midpoint is 40. So this 40 and this will be E and F. Okay. Then this is scale. 1:1000. Now divide this AE into number of equal parts, say 4. So this is 40. So 40 divided by 4 means one part will be equal to of 10 millimeter. 10, 20, 30. So I am giving the number 1, 2, 3. Then divide this AE into same number of equal parts, means 60 divided by 4 means this 15, 30, 45 and 60. So one part will be equal to 15 millimeter. So this 1 dash, this 2 dash and this 3 dash. The next step is join this F1 dash, F2 dash, F3 dash. Then after that draw vertical line from 1 up to F1 dash. So this is P1 where this intersect. Draw vertical line from 2 up to F2 dash, that is P2. Draw vertical line from 3 up to F3, that is P3. Then repeat the procedure on the right hand side or do the mirror images. So I am doing the mirror images of P1. So P1 distance is this much on the left hand side, same distance will be on the right hand side. The mirror image of P1. Then P2, mirror image of P2, this much distance on the left hand side, same distance will be on the right hand side. Then P3 mirror image. So P3 mirror image distance is this much on the left hand side and same distance on the right hand side. So join these points with the help of French curve. Means a ball will start from A, it will travel like this, reaches maximum height and it comes down. So join these points with the help of French curve. As you know that French curve rule is at least 3 points is to be joined. So I am joining these 3 points first, top 3 point, then these 3 point, and this 3 point. Okay. Similarly on the right hand side, this 3 point and this 3 point. So curve should be smooth and continuous. Finally give the title as you know that within 4 mm line. So this 4 mm line and write here with a capital letter parabola, para bola by rectangle method. Rectangle method. So write and underline the data. This is the third problem that you have to draw on your sketchbook. Okay.